Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your design on Canva using mobile. And basically I'm using an iPhone for this video, but it's the exact same on Android. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Basically, I have this design on Canva app right here. I'm happy with it, and I should let you know first off that whenever you make a change on the Canva app and you're connected to the internet, then Canva will automatically save any changes on your project. But if you want to actually make sure that the save has been made, then you can come up to the three little dots on the top bar, press in there, and then around the midway point, or just under midway, there's the save bar, and it's got a cloud icon with a tick in the middle. And on the right hand side, it says all changes have been saved. But to confirm, you can just press save there anyway, and it will make sure that you've actually saved your changes for that project. From there, if you want to actually access all of the different designs from within the Canva app, you can go up to the three horizontal lines in the top left, and then from there go home. And once that loads, scroll down until you find designs, and then you can actually go down here and see all of the different designs that you have linked to your Canva account. However, if you're actually just looking to download or export one of your files, what you can do is, as a quick download, if you're happy with the file type, for this one anyway, it's going to automatically set the file type as a PNG. If you're happy with that, you can go up to the top right and press the downwards pointing arrow with the horizontal line. And that's going to save your image as a PNG anyway, and that will save it directly onto your camera roll. So when we swipe up and go to the Photos app, you can see right there, we now have this file directly saved onto the camera roll. However, if you actually want to change the file type, let's say that you want to make it a JPG or a PDF, this is how you can do it. Go up to the top right button, there's a share button, it's like an upwards pointing arrow, press in there, and then go down to download. And then that lets us save or export as, and it automatically selects the file type for you as PNG. However, click in there and you can go to JPG or PDF, whatever you would like. So I'm going to save this one as a JPG. And once I've finalized, press the download button on the bottom. And that's going to prepare your design and actually save it to your camera roll. And you can make sure that it has been saved by pressing Save Image again. And then from there, go to your Photos app, and now we have two images saved as JPG from Canva onto your mobile device. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Hopefully it's been helpful, and if it has, again, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. If you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below as well. Thanks.